What's going on, y'all? It's Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. Hope y'all are having a great Saturday. Sorry it's been so... Sorry. Chewing gum. Bad habit. Hope y'all are having a great Saturday. It's been about 2 months since I've done a video. Like I said in my last one, we just moved into a new house. God provided an awesome house for us and our needs and our 3 kids, so that's kind of what's been going on with us the past 2 months, why I have not really had any time to make a video, because we've been getting settled in and I've been just playing catch up with clients and just organizing and loving life with our 3 beautiful children. Anyways, wanted to go over one of my new favorite tools for engine bay detailing. I'm squinting like it's bright out and it's not. It's going to be this Marolex Axel 2000. I got super clean in this. I got about an ounce and a half, and I have the medium. I think I have the medium on here. No, I have the loose. Okay, well, we can do that. Alright, cool. So I got the loose. They have 3 different tips. They're color coded. The white is loose. The light, like North Carolina baby blue, is the medium, and then the dark blue one is your thicker foam. So it just depends what you're wanting and the dwell time, I guess, and what kind of product you're working with. This goes for $50 on the Luxury Microfiber DPC website. You can get it there. Holds 2,000 milliliters, so it's like 67 ounces in the American 67 ounces. Yeah. So love the ergonomics of this thing, and I think my favorite reason, holding this like a bazooka, favorite thing why I love this is I'm saving product and I'm not blowing it through a foam cannon, even though it works. There's plenty of methods, not the only method. Yeah, it's $50, but I know this is gonna last. This, just quality, just, oh, you can just feel it, just so ergonomical, and you can just feel it. But I'm saving product, so you're saving product and you're saving money, and then you can actually conserve water too, because you have it in here and you're not blowing it through a foamer. So I mean, if that's what y'all think, we don't have to worry too much about that in Texas, but if you're over in California, I imagine that would apply to you. So anyways, gonna be doing my Tundra engine bay. It is a little dusty. I'm not gonna say it's hammered, but I have neglected it probably for about 4 or 5 months, and it has just been building dust around here since the leaves have fallen and it's fall. But it's been like 70 degrees the past few days, and now it's like dropping into like Cali temperatures at night, so like the low 40s. But I'm going to show y'all really quick, guess the engine, what it looks like, and just why I love this piece of gear. But it's a great piece of gear. Absolutely love it. It's a beautiful design, and I think my wife is pulling up right now. Yep, she is pulling up as we speak, and she's gonna do a roundabout. So anyways, I'm gonna go finish this video really quick, because she's got 3 little ones in there and I need to help her, and we gotta make dinner. So I'm gonna show y'all again. It's not horrible, but you can see it needs some wait. Yeah, you can see it's just yeah, it's yucky. A little bit beyond what I normally would want it to be at. So anyways, here, let me get this camera fixed. It's on the cable, sorry. Whoa. Alright, here we go. Hopefully that'll show you. I'm going to try to do this at one time. Now when you do this, you pump this thing up till it hisses at you. And then you'll know you have a max pressure. So as you use product, it's going to take more pumps, obviously, okay, because you got to get pressure to make up for the liquid that's lost. Okay, that's just common sense. I can't say anything other than that. So anyways, gonna do this really quick, and then we'll hose it down. Okay, I'm gonna try to hold this camera, like I said, and put it in auto. I'm just gonna do that little part right here, this little plastic, and then hold the camera steady while y'all watch. And here we go. Remember, this is the light one, so the loose, but I think that's about what I would want. I mean, you see the work time of this, and I'm like maybe at 1750 on the milliliter side, so y'all can kind of see where it's at right there. Okay, so gonna take my brush, agitate it, but really just wanted to kind of show y'all my new favorite tool in my arsenal. Yes, I need this because I'm short. I'm not going to do this whole thing right now. I'm not going to bore y'all with it. But if this is how you're gonna do it, if you're gonna do engine bay details from now on, I'm not gonna lie, this thing is gonna be something you're gonna want. It's 50 bucks, like I said, but you're gonna love it. It's got 3 different nozzles for the different foams, ergonomical. It's quality made. You just can't, as I beat my truck, you just can't beat the value it brings, and I'm all about that. If I have to pay more for something, I'm always going to pay. I'm always going to pay more, just because if it's going to last. And I literally, kid you not, I threw every single cheap pump sprayer I had out, and I bought a bunch of Marolex sprayers. They're 1000 spray bottles. Love the mist setting. Oh my word, it's the best. I'll do some other videos on that. But anyways, I just wanted to show you all that, why I love it. New favorite tool for engine detailing. Not kidding. You can use it everywhere, but like specifically for engine, you have so much control over the product, and that's a win. Not blowing foam everywhere. Not spending like $7, $8 on an aerosol. On an aerosol can. I saw some the other day and I was like, holy cow, that's insane. They're almost up to $10 for some of these things. I put an ounce of this and I get like 67 ounces. It's a no-brainer for me. I mean, geez. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'm going to try to push out some more videos tomorrow, and just thank y'all for all your support and everything. Even though I haven't done anything in like 2 months, I can't tell you how much it's encouraging when you're not able to do it and you still have people subscribing and watching your videos. It's very encouraging. So I appreciate y'all, and I'm going to try to get back on it. So love y'all. Have a great one.